Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to verify your account on our Discord server. Verifying account will unlock new channels for you. Let's get started. After you join the Discord, go to the new users channel and type center tag. Then you will receive a message with instructions form Discord bot. Go to the settings page on the cloud panel and click the generate Discord token button. Click the copy to dashboard button. Send the code with the tag verify followed by the generated code to the bot. The verification process of Discord can be done only once. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.